Good afternoon from Grand Family Farm. It's Sunday and it's a little chilly, overcast. It's 38 degrees right now, but this morning it was snowing, which is no sign of it now, which is great. Yesterday we didn't do a video because it was just overcast and dark, miserable all day long, and very cold. Well, I got a treat for the pigs today. Got some collard greens and some beans. I know they love the beans. Eat your collard greens. I'll give you an egg when I come back. Harold, you're always hungry, huh? Want some beans? Oh, look at that. Harold got beans and he's happy. Little guy's helping him eat them. Petunia and the two babies are fighting over the beans. Yeah, doesn't like pork and beans. Fight over an egg. There, Penelope. Hey, getting you an egg. Sure. Come here. Come here, stand up here. There you go. There you go. Hey, here's another one. Watch my fingers. Give Harold some now. An egg? Whoop, there. Not enough room in there. Harold, here's another egg. He likes eggs. Harold said he wants another egg. Hang on, buddy. You got egg in your face. There you go. It's down there. Got little pigs when I get it. You're stepping on it. There, he found it. Well, everybody's been fed. I got 7 eggs out of the coop. Some of them were from yesterday. I didn't check them. I hope they didn't freeze. Harold's enjoying his grain now since he had his eggs and his beans. Petunia and the babies over here, they're going off the grain now. They ate the beans pretty quick. Haven't touched the alfalfa. Everybody out here is happy. Good to see they're eating the alfalfa. A lot of it being trampled. Well, the ground is dry enough now to work it, to be able to move some dirt, dig some holes without getting the clay stuck to the shovel or the auger. But it is still a little bit cold out here. So getting volunteers to help me is a little challenge this time of year. This pin right here I'm looking at, well, you can't see the pin, but there will be a pin here. And so the pigs will have a lot more room to move around in the wintertime when they're not on pasture. Well, the goats are wanting a bottle. They've been eating alfalfa, but they want something special. Like, give me my bottle. This cat loves being outside. Noisy ducks down there. Well, it's almost time for our Sunday dinner, so I do thank you for watching. Have a great evening.